Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we're going to present you another wonderful property that is very close to the beach, and it has, as you can see, amazing views to the Mediterranean Sea. So now I want to show you how we get to this beautiful apartment, and we are here right at the entrance to the closed community. And let's open this up and let's get to see the communal areas, because here we have a really nice community pool, which I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, we have here our communal areas. We have a nice size of pool, and right there we have the lounge area, and this building is oriented to the southeast. So as soon as the day goes by, we'll have a lot of sun in that area, so you can sunbathe. And this is a recent building, it's not that old. So as you can see, the pool is in real nice condition, and also what we have here is some showers, everything in here. As the apartment as well, you're gonna see that it's really nicely kept. And now let's go and see it. So let's get inside of the building. It's a building that has an elevator, and also I think it's worth to mention that we have here with this apartment a parking space included. Now let's go to the top floor, the fifth one. So now let's get finally to the apartment, and just look at this. Wow, right at the entrance we can enjoy that beautiful view. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. It has a full bathroom and it has 2 terraces. One of them is this one. Come here, I want you to see these beautiful views once again, because oh my god, we are so close to the sea. We have views to the sea over here, but over that side we have beautiful views to the palm forest and to the Torrevieja city, of course. Now let's get back to the apartment to show you what it offers. This is a really nice corner property. So we are at the penthouse. We have nice, beautiful windows, and we have a decent space here. We have the lounge area, the dining area, and now let me show you the kitchen. This is a 2008 building, so everything that you see here is actually really well maintained. I like the floors, I like the kitchen state, and by the way, everything you see here, it's included, the appliances and the furniture. So now let me show you the bedrooms. So here we have the first bedroom. It has a huge window, so it enters a lot of natural light, and it's a nice size room in my opinion. It's better than most that we see over here in Spain, and also of course we have a nice size built-in wardrobe. Okay, now here we have the bathroom. It's also a very it's spacious, and it has the shower plate. And now in here we have the second bedroom. It's the master bedroom, and you can wake up from here every day and enjoy that beautiful view. One thing I want to mention before going upstairs to show you even more beauty of this apartment is that here we have central heating. So everything, each room, it has central air conditioner machine. Now let's get to the top. So now we are in which I think is the best part of this apartment, and it's the solarium. This is a wonderful feature to have because you can enjoy the sun here all day long. And from this specific one, we can see how close we are to the sea and enjoy it from here. You can have meetings with your friends, with your family, and be in this space and enjoy it. You have plenty of space in this solarium, so you can adjust it to your needs. And also what you have here, it's a storage room. As you can see, you can fit plenty of stuff there. So now let's get here, because I want you to enjoy the beautiful views while I wrap up what features are my favorite about this apartment. And I think the location is top. We are so close to the beach. We are in walking distance from that beauty. We also have walking distance to the services of this area, which are amazing. We have the road which connects to La Zenia or Torrevieja areas, very close as well. And just guys, to live in the Costa Blanca, it's amazing. And if you can do it from this apartment, it's even more beautiful. So this apartment, you can get it for 250,000 euros. It includes everything as you see it, and also the garage space, which I think it's a big plus because in summertime, Torrevieja can get a little bit busy. So that's a very big plus. So in this area, you can enjoy your life. If you're a family person, you can be here in your terrace enjoying your coffee and watching your kids playing in the pool. And also, if you are an investor, you can have amazing return on investment in this apartment because it's a wonderful location and many people will want to rent this apartment out. Now, if you want more information, leave us a comment or directly contact me by WhatsApp or email. You'll have, as always, my details here on the screen. Thank you very much for watching. Leave us comments what's the favorite part of this property for you, and see you on the next one. Bye!